Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll share with you a very easy and amazing recipe. This is pumpkin cheesecake. The Thanksgiving season is here and without any delay, let's get baking this easy and so delicious pumpkin cheesecake. Also, this is healthy, sugar-free and keto-friendly. So I'm sure you will love this recipe. Without any delay, let's get baking this recipe.
So the first step obviously into making a cheesecake is you have to make the crust. For that I'm using a 9-inch spring foam pan. Into that I'll add graham cracker crumbs and melted unsalted butter. I'll simply combine both of this and press it tightly into my spring foam pan and let it sit in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Next, I'll make the cheesecake filling. For that I'm using cream cheese along with canned pumpkin puree, some whipped cream so that it holds everything together. Next, I'm adding protein powder. This is optional but you should love to add it because it makes it really healthy. For the fall spices, I'm adding cinnamon, cardamom and pumpkin pie spice and the sugar-free sweetener stevia. You can use any sugar-free sweetener of your choice. Beat it together until it gets creamy and then transfer it to your set cheesecake crust. You want to even it out completely using an offset spatula and don't leave any air bubbles in the center, because once it sets perfectly in the refrigerator, this is going to look so delicious and amazing. Next, I'll make a cream cheese frosting. For that I'm adding some cream cheese, vanilla, stevia and some cinnamon in a bowl. I'll beat it all together until my frosting is ready. Take it up in a piping bag, and once the cheesecake has set perfectly, you want to take it up in a piping bag, use your favorite nozzle and add the frosting. I love adding frosting to my cheesecake because it makes it so extra special and festive like, and everybody loves a frosted cheesecake because that's what makes it so special and festive like. So forget your pumpkin pie and make this pumpkin cheesecake, because this one is gonna be a definitive crowd pleaser for your next Thanksgiving holiday. I love this because this is so easy and you don't have to use your oven at all. So keep your oven free for all the Thanksgiving sides. Meanwhile, you can bake a perfect cheesecake for your Thanksgiving dessert. Hope you enjoyed making this recipe with me.
So this is it guys, this is how you make easy keto pumpkin cheesecake. Hope you enjoyed the recipe. This is a no bake pumpkin cheesecake recipe. If you want to bake it, you can get the full recipe in the description box below. Also you can find all the measurements and other details in the description box below. Let me know which next Thanksgiving dessert you want to see me baking in my kitchen so that you can make it for your upcoming Thanksgiving holiday. Have a great Thanksgiving everyone. Have a great day.